Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our June new products video. Our first new product is this tire rack bolt. This fits the 78 to 86 Ford Bronco. This is for the exterior tire rack. What this does, you have your loop, there's a metal plate that's bolted to it. This goes through that. When you put your tire on the hanger, this goes through the lug nut, and you spin the wing nut on. This secures it to the tire rack. Brand new 78 to 86 Ford Bronco exterior tire rack bolt. And our next new product are these headlight assemblies. These fit the 79 to 86 Bronco and 79 to 86 F-Series pickup. What's nice about this is it's a whole assembly. It gives you a brand new bucket, brand new upgraded halogen bulb, which is greater than the stock one, and a brand new retaining ring for it with the mounting screws. Come for drivers and passenger side. What makes these sell for around $40. What's nice about it, these alone from Ford Motor Company are $40 a piece. So for the extra money, same price, you're getting a brand new bulb and a retaining ring. Once again, halogen headlight assemblies for the 79 to 86 Ford Bronco and the 79 to F-Series pickup. And our next new product are these brake boosters. These are for the 73 to 79 F-Series pickup and the 78-79 Bronco. What's nice about these are going to be brand new units. The one I have here is just coated. The ones that come are going to be a black metal finish to them. It can be a complete booster with the push rod and the plunger. We're going to have two different ones. We have one for cruise and one without cruise. You can look on the applications on our website. But what's nice about these, there's no core, brand new units, so they're fresh and clean. If you're doing a rebuild on the truck, you want something that looks really good, this is the way to go. Brand new for the 73 to 79 F-Series pickup and the 78-79 Bronco are these brand new power brake boosters. And our next new product are these sending units. These are for the Ford pickup 1992 to 1997 with a 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel engine. We've had these made. This is the rear one. Let me give a quick overview of it. Stainless steel construction, got the brand new plug-in, fits right into your harness. Got a brand new filter on the bottom, brand new sending unit. So if yours is bad, you drop your tank, pop this in place, new seal and lock ring, hook everything back up, fill it with fuel, you're ready to go. This is for the rear one. We also sell the sending unit for the 19-gallon side tank. Brand new for the 92 to 97 F-Series pickup with a 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel. And for our June Web Truck of the Month, we have a black 66 Bronco Roadster. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support and hope to see you next month. This is my 1966 Bronco Roadster. This is one of the first 3,000 Broncos made. It's got the forward-facing shocks. I can't tell you the production date on it. I acquired this truck in 1998. I bought it from Smith Ford in Fowlerville, Michigan for $200. Its prior life, it was at the DRC racetrack in Livonia, Michigan, where it groomed the track. I think some of the attendants after hours did some four-wheeling in it. When I got it, the transfer case was broke off of it and the front axle was broken in half. It was hurt pretty hard. It only had 33,000 miles on it, but it was pretty well beat. So I stripped it apart and started rebuilding it. So what we did to this truck, drivetrain-wise, I had a pair of 456 power lock front, track lock rear. I put those axles in this. Had the motor redone, rebuilt the transmission and transfer case, went through it. The frame was really super clean on it because it was never in the rust. The body had some major holes in it because there was no roof on it. So basically I wanted to paint it black. It was a Ragoon red truck to start with. I really love black, so this is the Ford 66 Raven black color. So basically what I did to this truck, put brand new Ford quarters on it, brand new fenders, brand new hood, brand new grill, brand new tailgate, brand new rockers. Basically tried to make it back to where it was. It only had a bench seat in it. I didn't like it, so I put the twin buckets in it. It's got the silver interior in it. Didn't have a dashboard on it, didn't have a radio. It's a pretty basic truck, 6-cylinder. I put it back together in 99, 2000, and then I sold it, basically went to the shows on the Jamboree circuit to the four-wheel drive off-road, and it used to win best paint pretty much every show for a stock vehicle. So showed it for probably 5 or 6 years, then it's been sitting in here ever since. My favorite color. It's hard to keep clean, but when you get it clean, it really looks sharp. Black on a vehicle is ultimate to me.